Hata sisikii uchungu kwa. Ushaisikia umeshtuka? Hata yeah. But maybe we should have gone to the picnic site. But at least picnic site we can get help. Okay. It's here. Tumerudi mbio. Ah, no wonder. This is like a whole workout session. Oh God, I can't believe. I think, Pauline, there are 4 types of people. There are systems people, then the explorers. You're an explorer. They strategize. Same way I was telling you. We stand somewhere and strategize our way back. But no, Pauline has to know, where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to?
Oh, we don't found out that it's the actual main road. You see?
Okay. Okay, now we know that it's not the road. Okay, honestly, guys, I don't know. I'm so tired.
Can I eat my food?
Oh God.
Do you still have that same donut? You ate it?
Yeah,
I'm not giving you any of my cream cake.
It's okay. Wait. Kwani tumeshafika to the swamp? It's okay. I'll make it. Okay, so when you get to the swamp, you will get a detour. I'm just going to show you the detour. There's the picnic site, and there is the, I don't know if I could get closer. There, what is this? The swamp. Yep, the swamp. You don't want to go to the swamp. You want to try and find your way through the picnic site. So we found a rail. I hope this is our way out. I'm so tired. I'm frustrated. You don't want to come here without something to eat. But I hope we can find our way out. Let's go.
It's nice.
There's life here. Oh my God. Wait, there's life. Oh, thank God. But inakaa njia ya watu. We found the way. Those are people. The only good thing is that we had our phones, and I was being discouraged from calling. I didn't even have the numbers. We even tried Google Map. It's like looking for Oloolua when you're in Ololuua.
Oloolua gate.
Oh, but we're back.
This is where we came from.
This is where we came from.
Babat, welcome to Oloolua.
Oh, thank God. Oh my God. We didn't get to see the nature trail, the bamboo forest. But if you come, well, I'm so happy. We found the way, we got lost. Oh my God. My friend, she's so adventurous. I was actually I was probably gonna call out for help, but then it's such a dense forest that you wouldn't know where to start. But maybe you can come and enjoy the scenery just for a few minutes and leave. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!